Where there's a will, there's a way. This video explains the meaning of this proverb and then tells how we can apply it to our lives to bring luck, overcome difficulties, succeed. Having established the meaning and relevance of the proverb, where there's a will, there's a way, we now delve into the practical application of this powerful mantra. This timeless saying emphasizes the importance of determination, resilience, and a positive mindset to overcome obstacles and achieve success. It inspires us to believe in our abilities and find creative solutions to life's challenges. By maintaining a strong will, we pave the way for opportunities and foster personal growth. With unwavering determination and a clear goal in mind, we can navigate through difficulties, adapt to different situations, and thrive in the face of adversity. This proverb teaches us that no matter how daunting a task may seem, with the right mindset and unwavering determination, we can overcome any obstacle and achieve our dreams. So let us embrace this profound wisdom and embark on our journey with resilience. For where there's a will, there will always be a way. We must remember that where there's a will, there's a way. This powerful mantra reminds us to never give up, even in the face of adversity. By maintaining a strong will and unwavering determination, we can conquer any challenge that comes our way. It is through perseverance that we are able to find creative solutions and overcome obstacles. When we believe in ourselves and our abilities, we open doors to new opportunities and foster personal growth. No matter how difficult the journey may be, with the right mindset and determination, we can achieve our dreams. So let us continue to embrace this wisdom and face life's challenges with resilience, knowing that where there's a will, there will always be a way. Our journey may be filled with roadblocks and setbacks, but where there's a will, there's a way. It is during these challenging times that our determination and resilience are truly tested. We must remember that success does not come easily. It requires hard work, perseverance, and a strong belief in ourselves. With every obstacle we overcome, we become stronger and more capable of facing the next one. In these moments of struggle, it is important to stay focused on our goals and never lose sight of our ambitions. We must be willing to adapt and find alternative solutions when faced with adversity. It is through these experiences that we grow and learn, discovering our true potential along the way. Although the path may not always be clear, we must trust that there is always a way forward. By channeling our inner strength and pushing through the challenges, we can surpass our own expectations and achieve what we once thought was impossible. Each step we take, no matter how small, brings us closer to our dreams. If you found this video useful, please rate it highly, comment and subscribe to the channel.